Hey, if you want to input SIM card into your Realme C67, first of all you have to prepare the SIM tool, and it's really good to get this original because as you can see here I have the external one from my Pixel phone and it's actually too short to open the SIM tray. So the SIM tray is actually located on the left side, on the left upper corner of your device, and you will have to input this SIM tool inside this hole, and now you will have to press on it. And after you do this, as you can see, this SIM tray actually pops up and we can grab it with our fingernails, for example. Now we can also remove this SIM tool. And as you can see from here, we can actually find place for the two SIM cards and this memory card. So we can place the SIM card on this one or on this one. I'm gonna put it actually on the first one, and it looks like this. So now we have to put it back. That's quite simple. Just do this like in my case. Do this gently, do this slowly. Move it to the left or to the right side, and when it is inside, just keep pushing with your finger one by one until you will be able to push it forward till the end, and now it is closed. And as you can see, that's how you can input this SIM card into your Realme C67. So now when I open my phone, I can find information about my SIM card, and it means that I installed the SIM card properly. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.